The filter or pour-over method produces a clean cup and helps you bring out all of the complexities in your coffee. Coffee, like all food, tastes best fresh, and freshly ground coffee even better. Look for good quality, freshly roasted coffee with a lighter or filter roast profile, as espresso roasts are usually roasted darker and not well suited to the pour-over method. Pour 120 milliliters of filtered water into your kettle for every cup you intend to make, and let it come to the boil as you prepare. Set your grinder to the filter setting and grind your freshly roasted coffee for filter. With the spoon provided, fill the spoon level, one for each cup you intend to prepare, into the filter basket. Use a stopwatch to time the brewing period. Start to add the water slowly in a circular motion, just enough to ensure even saturation, then stop. This allows the coffee to bloom. At 30 seconds, add 1/3 of the water in the kettle, pouring slowly in a circular motion, and then stop. At 1 minute, add the rest of the water in the kettle, pouring again in a slow circular motion until empty. When the water has finished passing through, remove the filter and serve.
Using the Cosori pour-over coffee maker is quick and easy, because brewing the perfect cup of coffee doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by placing the filter into the mouth of the decanter. Add 1 level scoop of medium coarse ground coffee to the filter. Shake gently to level the grounds. The coffee to water ratio is 1 scoop of grounds to a half cup of water, but you can adjust to your taste. Starting in the middle, pour some hot water over the grounds in a slow spiral motion, just enough to saturate the grounds. Wait 30 to 45 seconds. Pour the remaining hot water over the grounds, this time starting at the outer rim and moving inward. If the water reaches the top of the filter, allow it to settle to halfway before continuing to pour. When you are finished, remove the filter and discard the used coffee grounds. To clean, remove the wooden sleeve and tie. Then wipe them with a wet cloth. Hand wash the glass decanter, measuring scoop, and filter with hot soapy water. Or just place them in the dishwasher, ensuring the plastic scoop is always on the top rack. Check that the wooden sleeve is completely dry before placing it back on the decanter. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting out, the Cosori pour-over coffee maker is the perfect brewing tool.
Are you a coffee enthusiast and love to brew your own cup of coffee every morning? Then get inspired by the glass pour-over coffee maker from Uno Casa, a perfectly shaped glass with a permanent stainless steel coffee filter. To help extract your coffee's aromatic oils, enhance its subtle flavors, and get a perfectly refined taste, this coffee maker is fitted with a stainless steel micro-ground filter. To contain the fresh flavors, the Uno Casa coffee maker comes with a borosilicate glass that retains heat, while the lid helps to keep your coffee hot and completes the coffee brewing process perfectly, ensuring your coffee brews without losing any of its rich flavors. It also has a silicone pad and sleeve that protects you and your surroundings from the heat. Brewing your perfect cup of coffee has never been easier. First, put the filter into the glass coffee dripper and swirl some hot water over the filter to heat it up and eliminate any residual flavors. Then, measure your coffee. We recommend 21 grams of finely ground coffee, about 3 tablespoons for every 10 ounces of water. Pour it into the filter and shake lightly to spread the coffee evenly. Gently pour the water in a circular motion onto the coffee grounds until they're evenly coated. Hold on for a minute, then pour some more. By adjusting the speed at which you pour, you can control your brew until it's exactly how you like it. Now you can relax and enjoy your perfect cup of coffee till the last drop. The Uno Casa Glass Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Wonderful flavors for the start of a great day.